Happy Easter, Sierra, please. Happy Easter, my love. Please do share. You are welcome to this great show today. Happy Easter, Pedro Guasa. Happy Easter to every one of you. So I just say happy Easter to everyone. So I just want you all to enjoy this music. As I'm going on, I want you all to enjoy this music. So today is a very good day. I come greet everybody well. So today I greet everybody and I welcome everybody to this great show. Today I want to talk about the art of forgiveness in relationship. Give on phone. The art of forgiveness for the relationship. Please, I want to make everybody share before I talk on the issue. So now I make I come out today. Your woman if he don't shit on you, your guy if he don't shit on you. What's important? You feel forgive her. Now that one quite important. So now I can come out with that one. When I can come out today, we be say when Christ died. One can talk about what? The art of forgiveness. Which that one I feel important very much. You understand? So I greet everybody, all my fans. First of all, I wish every one of you now a very happy Easter. Happy the death of Christ and the resurrection of Christ. Now I greet everybody. Because of that one, I can come out with this topic. The art of what? Forgiveness. I believe say that one a very good topic. We go benefit you and I too today. Because many of us, our woman don't shit on us, our babe don't shit on us, and our guy don't shit on us. So today, I can't say I want to talk on that one. So make everybody share before I begin start. So when I enjoy the music first. Yeah, don't share, please do share. Make una share first of all. Igo jama igo sonone okuna. Ale me ne igo water. Igo jama igo sonone okoluwa. Lẹ́kùnmẹ́ pọ́n ní owó rẹ̀, òun ló fi lẹ́nà nílé pọ́n yóò tọ́nẹ̀ o. Lẹ́kùnmẹ́ kwano ngalele iwo vile no niga kwa yo tone o bye no oye wo ma Jọ́dọ̀ rí máa wẹ́rẹ́ òkòwò ní pẹ́mọ́ sí wẹ̀gbẹ́. Wọ́n ọwọ́ tí ó jọ rí máa wẹ́rí ìjẹ́rẹ́ ọwọ́ sùn wẹ̀gbẹ́ o ẹmẹ́gbẹ́ fún yóò. Ọ̀rẹ́ kàmá nípìá. Well, welcome to this show. Make una hear the music before I begin talk on that on my topic of today. Because today's topic now another good topic. Yahweh bere Yahweh bere aseme Anona na yabo yeneto. Àwọn olùwàyà àwọn ìgbẹ́ Yàwó ìgbẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ rẹ̀ ọ̀nà náà láyà kò yẹ ẹ̀dọ̀. Àwọn olùwàyà àwọn ìgbẹ́rẹ́ ọ̀nà náà yà kò yẹ ẹ̀dọ̀. Ṣé? Prince Keller, you are welcome to this show. So you Poshisha, you are welcome to this show. Your babe don't do you bad, you go forgive her. Make me enjoy the music before I begin start on this topic very soon. I want to hear the music first before I digest on the word. Hello. Okay. All my fans say today na happy day. So today we dey eat well. Today na joyful day. Come welcome everybody. Now I say today as a joyful day we don enter stage. Make una begin share. All my fans that want everybody to share. Mona share, keep on sharing before I start. I want to enjoy the music. Because this music na dancing music wey say I want enjoy, I want dance. You understand? Ọ̀wí mọ̀ tó ẹgbẹ́ ìtẹ̀nà yá sẹ́ni àyè. Wọ́n kìí enjoy today, that today na lovely day. Because in a relationship, your guy don cheat, your boy don cheat, whether you go forgive am. Make una hear today, Edo Memuwa. Mayari wọn náà yà sọ ẹ̀rẹ́gbẹ̀. Make una share am. Keep on sharing. People don't take class. After this music, I'll digest on the word. Oh, may I dance for now first? Igo también igo sonomero, tocona. Cuando yo me igual vine no diga cuando Now don't enjoy the music very well today. Happy Easter to everybody. Happy the death and resurrection of Christ. Today now another wonderful day. As God don't die, can resurrect today. We know say God now He created everything. Now He create the King. And we as the traditional people wey dey bring light to the world too, wey dey talk truth. So na make we dey tell una say truth dey, na we come greet everybody. We say today na day wey be say whether your girlfriend o he sleep to another man o, you catch am o, whether your boyfriend o he sleep to another man o, another woman you catch am, now come out with the word to the act of forgiveness in relationship. During dating or your wife, oh, you see how you don't go sleep with man before, all these things. I want to talk on this issue in relationship. Because yesterday I did deal on what? Relationship issue. And today I can't come out with the word, the benefit of forgiveness in relationship. Because many things they will involve. So make everybody, make una share. I want make una share before I welcome everyone. Thank you, Kate Good News. Bishop Oviedo, thank you. Compliment of the season. I greet you. Today I want everybody to share. Please do share as I'm about to proceed on this very particular issue where we say it go favor every one of us. When we talk about relationship, many things are involved. Both marriage, in courtship, and otherwise. In Happy Esma, Rarity, Katie Chika. So today, we want to really digest our precious EK. Happy Easter, please. Please do share. I want to make una share so that make everybody begin here waiting. I want to deliberate on today. And we'll still talk about on one woman too. Where they talk saying get money no want man. Now make her play that music. That track just now where you say make una hear. You can hear that music. That music now very sweet and me will be say you go like, me go like. Now make her play her. Una those way hear the meaning of that music. So today's topic can be say you will be man, you will be woman. You can't hear your baby because of the pain where you don't ever pass through or whatever. Now you want to go into engage into another relationship. And because of that issue, you can't keep her. You don't let bygone be bygone, let go be go. Because this thing can't be waiting, don't they give pain into you. To continue to another relationship, it can't be problem. All those eating, we go deliberate and digest on her. Make una share because this program, we may I do. As the ambassador of Benin culture, I come to enlighten people on tradition and otherwise. And I enlighten people on different issues where basically go favor the society. You understand? This program not be to talk waiting, be say no benefit. This program a program people who no know go know. Because waiting we dey ignorant of it now waiting we no know. But today, many of us go see know the importance and the benefit of what? Forgiveness in relationship. For your relationship to go forward. For your new partner to move forward. For you to get a sweet relationship. For you not get a broken home in future. Now I can really talk about that one. So please, if case anybody want to call, you have the Germany number, the UK number there. Prince Keller, I bet leave Kate Good News, oh. Prince Keller, leave her, oh. I beg, oh. You hear, Prince Keller? Today na day where I come talk about art of forgiveness. You understand? If you love her, if you want to reach that time when I come out with the issue of relationship, who they look for, if that one never reach. We will first sanitize ourselves before I begin to come out, whether you define man or define woman. First of all, you first purify yourself. Purification matters a lot. When you never cleanse yourself, they make you on the look for another woman, look for another man. Now they they try to clean everybody now. So we will first purify ourselves, clean ourselves from certain things where we say where we feel move forward. For this issue where I want to talk about. So I greet everybody. Those who hear the Benin, who hear the English, why voter. So today, as a culture demand, say Benin Maba talk he said. So today, the issue now, I'm going to share. As I proceed on the issue now, we can't come for the word relationship. And also, those who sit us, they don't want man. Say don't want man. Or you know one day, because you get money, now make I play that music. Say when you don't get my IB, we not get married, we not get man. They not call you Mrs. So and so. Now very something will be say, you know good. all those things they come in under this relationship issue where I want to talk about. Talking about both marriage and courtship. So this relationship is a very big thing where we want to talk about today. The art of forgiveness in relationship. Good evening, endurance. Here. I greet you. You are welcome to this good show. Please make una share. So today, me I feel because in my show I feel enlighten people. I feel read down. You feel know wetin I want go on, so that it go dey transparency for everybody. You yourself you go dey enlighten on this particular issue, so that when you go dey talk on it, you go know wetin you want talk. You no go just come just dey talk wetin you no suppose talk on the issue. Because me as a traditional man, the day wey I begin come today now, when I come out with Ododo, that day na another wonderful and delicate day. Okay, una say me I play the song again. Okay, I'll play the song again so that make una enjoy am, make una understand the meaning of the song. I go play the song since if dem say me I play the song, make una hear before I talk about the relationship. Make una hear the song again. Share, keep on sharing. So the song, una hear. I don play am say. Oh, you are dedicating the song to your kid sister. So, okay, where mo ẹ o? Èrò tó mọ̀ náà iye ọ̀dọ̀ náà o. Ọwọ́ ẹ̀ mọ̀ ẹ́. Ọmọ ibẹ̀ ẹ fa. Ọlọ́run kì í pọ̀ wíyẹ wá o. Gbogbo pa. Wọ́n rí ẹ náà.
That's the chairman of his men.
Nobody said, huh? Keep on sharing. That music, the good news say I should play the me one dedicator. Una know why they replay this music. The good news make I play, dedicate this music to his sister. So make una share. Make una share the program. No like here enjoy the music again. Today na the resolution of Christ. God's power, boy, you are welcome. Lucky Ade, you are welcome. Lucky Ade, you are welcome. Please share all over. Okay, good news. You say you love her, you miss your kid sister, so okay, good say love you. So, Abi. Ọmọ bọ̀nà ìwé ọmọ fi òtọ́ ẹ̀yà àgbàlérò. Make una dey share. Ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ní máa jọ pé ọ̀hún ìmọ̀jọ ẹ̀dẹ̀. Ọ̀nà àgbà lẹ́jẹ̀ náà yà sẹ́ni ẹ̀yẹ. Ọ̀nà wìlì ìrìn mi máa lè kó sẹ́ òde. Yẹ́rọ ẹ̀kú wa. Àwọn bọ̀nà mi wọ́n lọ́mú kí o tọ́ ẹ̀yà pọ̀lú ìgò. Yẹ́rọ ẹ̀kú wa. Àwọn bọ̀nà mi wọ́n lọ́mú kí o tọ́ ẹ̀yà pọ̀lú ìgò. Wúyú nà gbọ́dá lẹ́bẹ̀ nà bọ́ ẹ̀ olúwa. Àwọn ọmọ ló wọ̀dọ̀. Wúyú nà gbọ́dá lẹ́bẹ̀ nà bọ́ ẹ̀ olúwa. Ìwọ mi mẹ́nà nígbà pọ́n yóò tọ́ náà o. Sàbẹ̀kùn mẹ́pọ́n àlòyé òwe. Ìwọ mi mẹ́nà nígbà pọ́n yóò tọ́ náà o. Dọ́gba iná. Bàbí ìkẹlẹ̀ mi náà ń wá ẹ̀ òpàrà ìwọ̀ wọn ẹ̀. Thank you, Richie Kitty Chika. Love the song. Ìjẹ̀rẹ̀ yóò sùn ẹgbẹ́ o, ẹ lè gbé fún o. Ọjọ́ tí ọ̀tẹ̀ ẹ rí máa. Wọ́n ní wọ́n ìjẹ̀rẹ̀ yóò sùn ẹgbẹ́ o, ẹ mọ̀ sùn ẹgbẹ́. Lọ́wọ́ ká máa ń fi àná rọ̀. Èrè àwọn olùkú ẹ̀kọ́ a. Ijo ata olùkú ẹ̀kọ́ a. Olùwà ìlú àlọ́ olùkú ẹ̀kọ́ a. Ọmọ yìí ká ẹ̀mẹ̀ ní ambassador. Yàwé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́. Yàwé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀nà nàyàbò yẹ̀rọ. Yàwé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́. Yàwé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́. Yàwé bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀nà nàyàbò yẹ̀rọ. Thank you very much, Kitty Chika. Say, Amma, how will they say, Nadia, baby, where you stand? Ow, are you my baby? Ow, are you my baby? Thank you. I greet everybody who come this show today. Una good evening. I thank everybody who enjoy the song. This song illustrates a lot of things. You understand? Now very good song. And now very song where we say I cherish, I plan. You involve both male and female. So we be say when problem dey, when man no get money, woman, you go pack things, go run from the call, you go shout, you go run, make people come here wetin dey happen. But when you get money, you no go quarrel. So now I come today for say forgiveness, the art of forgiveness for relationship. Time wey go come where I talk about love. If you see they say woman really love without money. Or now money woman love, or now they get reality love for you. That one they come, they say we dey waka small. We get a lot of topic when we go talk. Where be say we go hear, you go benefit if you dey into relationship. You know the side where your opponent dey and the side where your opponent says it dey. So this one, where I see talk, when be say see as I plan, the music come let una know say woman wey no get husband house. If they say get money, he say no good. Now very good music. And after that music come make me happy well. You understand? I see get wetin good wey be say this music come illustrate for me well today, wey I go let una understand. Later I go pin one track for this music take round up when the time reach, wey be say upon the suffer wey me and you don talk. No be say you do what you can't run leave me. So make I go further, make I move forward, make I talk about the forgiveness. Now I want to talk about the art of forgiveness in relationships. Art of forgiveness, he said it involves you allowing yourself to be vulnerable. Forgiving someone means letting go of your anger. Forgiveness is not just about retaining harmony in your work relationship, but it's also being kind of yourself. I want to give una the read the when we dey talk about forgiveness in this relationship, you know, it come to us not be say let go alone, but be kind to yourself. How you take kind to yourself? Because if something dey bother you for mind, you dey plan say maybe you say this person I must fight and kill am. Get am for mind. You get one particular thing wey go affect you for mind. You automatically, you yourself no settle. You no take kind to yourself. You even dey inch your body. Now this one still big to our relationship. You say I should help you to thank your sister for what she did for me. May God bless her for me. Sister, thank you for my life. Dominic, Guni, your sister, say, may I help you thank. He said, wait, what you do for her? He said, may God bless you. Dominic, today now the real day. So maybe she can't tell you where be say today now the topic of what? Say for kingdom. Say may God bless you for what you do for her. Keep on to they do and make they do for people. Do for her, do for your man, do for those you love. Even those who you don't love, do for them. God bless you as they go on. He said forgiveness is difficult to forgive. My sister, it's difficult to forgive. And it's true also. But forgiving is the only way to attain peace and help you to work better on your future relationship. You understand? You know, I don't see the hell where I deliberate. Just when you are going repeat and before I go, before I begin to talk what I want to talk. He said forgiveness for relationship involve you allowing yourself to be vulnerable. Giving someone means letting go of your anger. Forgiveness is not just about retaining harmony in your relationship. It's also about being kind to yourself. Forgiveness is difficult. It's difficult to forgive. It's true. But forgiving is the only way to obtain peace and help you to work better on your future. Now, my topic come. Now, you will be man, be woman. Your girlfriend, you want to go to that relationship and the girl you feel the friend, they date around. And even the one where you see now, you sleep with your friend. My brother, how you go, that matter, it go difficult for a boy to forgive, it go difficult for a woman to forgive. Now, before I go on this issue, you can't see your boyfriend, can't sleep with your girlfriend. If you be girl, you go forgive that your girlfriend will sleep with your guy. Or sleep with your husband, we don't matter. Or you will be boy, the girl where you the friend, your best friend can go to sleep with her, they sleep with the girl, and the girl open left for her. You go feel forgive that girl. But this thing a very strong topic where we say people go wrong, people not fit talk because they don't talk truth for this one. We are not because this topic na very delicate topic where we say it's difficult to forgive. It's a very bad thing. Say I forgive her when sleep with my girlfriend. I forgive that girl when that girl they sleep with my friend. I forgive that girl when they fuck around. I forgive that my guy when my guy even he sleep with four of my girlfriend. You will feel forgive her. Now there we can't talk. Waiting love we talk about. You will be boy, you will be girl. I'll give you 5 reasons why it's good to forgive, and I'll give you 5 reasons for your relationship, 7 reasons for your relationship to grow on going on forgiving aspects. Please make una share. For a relationship, the way we deceive for everywhere, both Europe and home and away. Your girlfriend, if you will go into a relationship, my brother and my sister, Mona watch her. Your girlfriend, if you see, I not be only one they date. If you watch her well, you will know say your girlfriend, he get another icky for back. With this another guy, where you don't know. and now you don't know your girlfriend dey do am, and you come catch am. You will catch your girlfriend, you go fit forgive am? You just wan call your friend, I come greet am, you just know, you just put there, you just see your friend there on top of your girlfriend. You go fit forgive that your friend? Those wey wan call number dey, you go fit forgive that your friend? You forgive that girl wey you say you say I will marry you. Now you come catch am, go sleep with, or you go meet am for top of bed. You just can say the man dey just dey on top of the marshal. You come meet your girlfriend. You just open door. You want me say the kind scream wey your girlfriend dey even scream for your guy sef, and you can't even strong when you meet am dey hear the way they talk. Your guy can't even they don't just they tell her, your guy they tell the girl say, baby, now you sweet pass that your friend, my girlfriend, baby, now you sweet pass her. You go fit forgive her? So may I go? Wow, talk on this issue, how forgiveness go take favor you for this relationship where you dey. And waiting relationship where you don't fair go out with, you don't fair date girl because of waiting heartbroken when you fair get with the girl wey pass. Now you dey go into the relationship, you dey bring the past issue, wetin that girl do, you dey use am to want to follow this new girl. The relationship go work because you put money for mind. You dey think about the past, you never let go to continue on your new relationship. Forgiving and waiting go help you for this relationship wey I dey talk about. You know why? We wey dey talk good thing, some people go dey wrong. Say this guy dey talk about this forgiveness, whether he go gree go catch a girl, person dey sleep with am. So whether he go take am, so make una share, because this issue of this forgiveness na very big issue. Now when we dey talk about the issue of forgiveness, now wetin you don dey feel pain, you dey feel pain, you see you come jam your new girlfriend. As you jam your new girlfriend, your guy dey sleep with her, you go forgive am? Because you wey be guy wey dey look, people go into this topic na lie. Your girlfriend, you check am well, not dey date only you one. Your boyfriend, you check am well, not dey go out with only you one. Which we all know. Let's be realistic. Let's call a spade a spade. Out of 100, you see say na 5, na go small relationship, na dey sincere. Say na let this one dey date. Let's call a spade a spade. So when we dey talk about this forgiveness of a thing, na very big thing. Now I wan first go under this forgiveness of issue. Now we can't talk about love. Love can't come from here. I can't bring 7 point love. For this forgiveness, love can't come. He said love is the tender part of, you see, and love is the tender part of life. You understand? Love in each other it leads to forgiveness. If really you love your spouse, you will what? Forgive. Now you say you love, maybe we all talking about this love. You say you love woman, you love her, and this same woman dey double date around. My brother, you go forgive her, you go accept that woman. Make una dey tell me if una go accept that woman. But if you be boy, your woman, you can't see her, if they date around, you go forgive her. Or you will be the guy, you say you love your guy, you can't come inside house, your guy come dey sleep with your girlfriend, you go forgive her? Guess, make una answer me. You can't come your guy, come dey sleep with your best friend, you go forgive her? Before I move further, make una answer me. Una no dey forgive her. Nobody even say you go forgive. Una no go forgive her. Okay, I go go. Since nobody to forgive, una not, it show say you say yes, cause everybody is a sin. Na cause of God and the love I have for him, I will forgive him. Okay, you go forgive the girl. If you forgive your guy, she say your boy. Okay, now let's hear her please. Now I talk say go forgive the rest girl. If you not let them forgive am, they not go forgive their guy. But if they catch her with their friend, they forgive am. Now that show you not love am. Francis J. Moses say it depends the reason. Francis, no matter this, you come inside now for your room. You say, may your friend when I got at the room. You go and you say your guy they come. You come meet your guy. Francis J. Moses, listen to this thing. You come meet your guy inside the room now. As you just come, you dey hear the kind match where they match your girlfriend for your room. As you enter, you go forgive her. You say depend. Which depend? Talk and you go forgive her. Answer if you forgive. Phone dey there, number dey there to fall. Those who go forgive her, make it talk. So now say depends. I see and say many no go forgive you. Nobody want una no want una let one person go forgive you. Who was that person? That was who said he will forgive? Sierra Blaze. Now he say go forgive. Small the rest of una no go forgive her. So make una get down for mind say una no love that boy. Love, they take many things away. The great thing now, when you not feel forgive the boy now, nobody tells saying go forgive her now. Get good news. You can't see your guy, if they sleep with your boyfriend, you don't forgive her. Irish Jonah saying go forgive. Thank you. That is the prince. That is my Prince Joe. Harry, the prince I greet you. I will forgive you not to do it again. Francis saying go forgive her, no, make it not do again. Make the boy not do again. Thank you. Okay, good news, no, he not forgive. So make una get up for mind. No people will saying go forgive. Okay, good news say he not forgive if you see a guy sleep with his best friend. Okay, good news don't make us know today say not forgive because he not talk. He not write to you. So Francis saying go forgive. Irish Jonah saying go forgive his girlfriend. And equivalent this issue of forgiveness because that show the reality of love. Don't forgive, don't you play, and I be love. Now that love take power. So when you love, you have the act of what? Forgiveness. No matter you catch on with your boy, you go forgive her. Forgiveness in a relationship, you will say, let bygone be bygone. You go forgive her and God get power. Thank you, Prince Harry. Okay, good news. You say you not go forgive your guy, you catch her, they sleep with your friend. You not go forgive her. Okay, good news. You not talk, oh. I just say you go forgive my baby, oh. My baby say you not go forgive. Okay, good news say you not go forgive. Because you not go forgive, you catch a guy sleep with a girlfriend. Okay, good news, don't let us know, say you not go forgive, you catch a guy. Okay, good news. You don't get a spirit of forgiveness for your heart. Now, I come to the second part, reciprocation. We are talking about reciprocation now. Reciprocation, because me say, if I want to use what you are also liable to err. When I mean liable to err, you remember those people who say don't forgive. People are calling, excuse me, somebody is calling. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Ambassador.
Yeah, good evening, my beloved brother.
Good evening, Ambassador.
Good evening, my brother.
First of all, happy Easter.
Happy Easter, my brother.
This topic wey dey talk today, I dey overhear you dey talk say, and I dey overhear people dey comment say, do not forgive somebody.
They say not forgive, yes.
Do not forgive somebody, not love somebody.
Thank you, Adi, yeah.
Forgiveness get different branches.
Yes.
Somebody, but you don't mean say you must accept the person back. Because
Yes.
every crime, you have whether you will return the person back or not.
Yes.
Why some someone forgive that because of someone who move on, who face and from the problem who first face. That's why it's necessary for you to forgive.
Now make it necessary for you to forgive.
Yes, you forgiving somebody don't really carry shame because if you forgive the person, you must receive the person back.
Yes.
Or if you may forgive and continue the relationship if it's suited by you. So you can still forgive the person and not continue the relationship. So the most important thing about forgiveness is for you.
No, my brother. Wait till you talk now. You say you will forgive and continue relationship. You may forgive and not continue. Now this topic on delay on the relationship. You see this guy, your girlfriend as a guy. You see your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your own best friend go to sleep with your girlfriend. You go forgive and take her back as your girlfriend when your guy dey sleep with her.
That's why I tell you just now, man, don't be all forgiveness means you must accept the person back. You understand? Don't be all forgiveness, you mean you accept them back. Like me now, if my girlfriend cheat on me outside the other person, I will forgive her and take her back.
Elijah say no. At the year talk.
Be close to me when I know my friend, I know will receive the girl back. You know why? Because what you make up fuck my friend, guess people for this life, not really girls, boys and girls. When you forgive them once, then you always say every forgiveness you give them, say like they're too important for your life. That's why you don't get anything to do. That's why you forgive them. But if they say, I beg, forgive me. But inside their mind, you need to forgive them, they forget you. After if I do another one, I'll seriously cry, tell them sorry. I'm not going to get you, forgive me. That mentality they do for most of our women and our men. They're going to make them repeat the same thing again. So if your girlfriend or your boyfriend get mad to stoop so low to sleep with your friend or sleep with somebody you know say you might know, maybe you need to disrespect you. Now I think you know control herself. So when your pieces sleep with your brother, your pieces sleep with the other person, you will be expecting you will forget. But the most important thing of forgiveness, like we say, make you feel let you move on. So people they enter relationship they carry the sins of their past boyfriend that they are getting because they use to place another poor girl or poor man. How they use to be place, they use to talk, say, what of if I still do this one, you can't do like this. At the end of the day, they're going to turn something else, they're going to turn monster to the message to their partner. Partner don't know why they turn monster. And because of see, they never really succeed in filling that void, that move.
Caller, hold on. You see one more word where you talk now. You say you not go forgive her, but you can't use one word. You say, okay, people they bring the past of their ex life of their ex-girlfriend issue. Say their ex-girlfriend sleep with you, one boyfriend mess up. Don't come back on their new relationship. You will say you not forgive your girlfriend. Now you want correct, but how you not go bring that same past issue come?
Let me tell you one thing now. I know what they are, I'm afraid. Because I forgive her.
Yes.
Forgiveness, make people not be get and wrong. Forgiveness don't mean say everything must turn back together. Sometimes there are some things that you destroy that you can never repeat. If you carry glass, you scatter up on glass. Like you carry to the tape, you can form the shape of glass, but you can never be made clear as before again. That is the meaning of forgiveness. So that's the forgiveness that good enough for you to receive each other and continue from where you stop. But sometimes it might just be that both of you will come realize you just need to be friends to take move on. But the important thing about this forgiveness is you need to totally accept your mind. So okay, I forgive this girl. I won't move on. Because this boy doing this, you don't say every boy doing this. Because this girl doing this, you don't say every girl will doing this thing. But I won't move on. Because if we look at our past, our present will be like this our present. I was supposed to start each present with open book, plain book. You know the way I talked to you guys there before, or you still write it there for the new book when you start to be right. That is the idea of each of you. It's very necessary. Sometimes when people know the step of life, because of the way too many go against their past. And you see the pastor will tell them, they go pray for forgiveness. They go forgiveness, they go forgive people because you see this like nobody won the past.
My brother, caller, thank you very much. Wait, you talk many points where I see. You say you forgive, you don't collect the relationship back. You don't love her.
I'm not talking about
No, down your whole point, you don't resolve your own. You say you forgive. This issue, if you forgive your girlfriend sleep with your best friend, now, and you say I love each other. Now you forgive her for the relationship to go. You say you forgive her, but you don't take her back. Now, and for love, you say you forgive her. Okay, I want to marry you. I don't propose to I forgive you. So let her back up, be back. There's when he say let go, be go. Then come back. That be the meaning of what? Let go. If you know that word, let go. When it's let go, then come in. You understand? So go on, my brother. Before other people come, before I continue. Go on, caller.
may I just stop now conclude this?
Okay, conclude your talk.
People the only thing mistake they are getting. You go confusion. But you want to give this thing to the friend with you. You won't follow another way we say they shoot up about you. The you don't already start to live your own life. The later you come realize that you call the cry, you forgive her. You can't forgive her because that's your new girlfriend. That's why only the less of people know. The way the one is doing man enough will affect you. But what of this man already get life already? You can't use it because it's not too fast. You can't forgive, you can't try to new girlfriend. You can't do what you do. You can't do what you get doing for the new girlfriend.
Yes, I'm reading you. Okay. Okay, I don't hear your talk. Thank you.
If you get your girlfriend straight to the book, don't want to relationship with your one. Only the government one. That's a big space.
Thank you very much.
All right, sir.
Thank you very much, caller. Yo. Thank you very much. When I hear caller don't call, he say him go forgive, but you know carry the girl back. Now, I call that one semi word forgive. The thing you say you bring am back, I mean I dey talk about. Now, he say no go, he go forgive her, but he no go bring the girl back. Now, the two topic, the second reason for forgiveness can't come to her now. For waiting till now, there I go there. I don't want me person call reciprocation. You are liable to what of the new relationship you go into? You the boy now you can't go do the same thing to the girl, to the new girl. You know, see say that time no forgiveness for you. Relationship. So see, and this guy he say boy will never forgive. He don't make us know say with that our boy not go forgive. Relationship, for your relationship to excel, for your relationship to move forward, it's hard, but we have to forgive. Okay, Kate, good news. Will you forgive? Will you forgive? Maybe you see me here. I can't deal with your girlfriend. Will you forgive? Kate, good news. Answer her. Hello. May I pick Kate? Good news. Answer your call. Juliet is the one talk. Juliet is may I pick your okay? Good news. For example, you see me, ambassadors, sleep with your friend. Will you forgive? Answer that question. Juliet is I don't pick you. May you answer that question. May I see him for the net there? You hear me? So Juliet is I don't pick your call. So Juliet is I don't pick your call. I don't pick you. No, you're going. Okay, good news. You answer your call. You see me, ambassador. Sleep with your girlfriend. You, my girlfriend. I sleep with your girlfriend. Will you forgive? You no answer that, you dey laugh. You go answer that question. Now that can't come now the art of forgiveness. You, I dey ask you now. You see me. I sleep with your best friend. We dey with you. Now day together. Will you forgive me? You no fit answer that question. Not if I'm your husband. I'm your boyfriend now. If I can't go sleep with your boyfriend, will you forgive? Your girlfriend and your boyfriend, I go sleep with your boyfriend, your girlfriend, will you forgive? Answer that question before I proceed. So may she give me that answer before, because the third one where I want to go, the reason of forgiveness is a gift to yourself. I will tell you why it's a gift to yourself. So what you talk, you're going to answer that. Juliet Israel, I dey pick your call. You dey send request. I'm picking your call, but you know I dey pick your connection go. Okay, good news. You say you don't forgive. You don't love before. You don't love me. If you love, now that is spirit of love. If you love me, it's okay. I love her. Me, I have let go. I'll forgive her. I'm sleep my friend. Never mind. I'm me one marry. Now there, you don't prove to me, say you don't love me there. That one don't true. So the third part, where would they go? You can say, give to yourself. Okay, good, don't make me know. Give to yourself. What if you give to yourself? Now we are talking about the gift, the spirit of forgiveness. Where be saying are you part of giving? The reasons for forgiveness in your relationship. Now I want to bring to now, so we go give you good thing. You say it if it's my best friend. No. You say no. Una not see now that's una don't know how they forgive. Okay, goodness don't tell me say no go forgive. So you not go forgive me. If you catch him, I not go forgive him. Happy not be so. So it don't show you come on. So now he said the fourth one, say give to yourself. What are the give to yourself? He said it is really does not matter if the person you ought or deserve to be forgiven. It doesn't matter if the person you ought deserve to be forgiven. Forgiving is a gift you give yourself. How does you give this forgiveness to yourself? You bring your mind down. You will not happy, you will not be thinking, let go, you will not be thinking happy, you will not going to think. Because as you dey think and you see they enjoy yourself. Because rarity say, he say, if it is my best friend, no. What about the love? Relationship, okay, guess now, if we will go into most things for the world now, I will look at now, women, they fall victim, go sleep with man, when man go catch her, man go say no for her. Okay, if your guy can't catch you with the girl, I the guy take forgive you. You say you don't forgive, and women, they quit the fall victim. Women have been and women, not be women quit the fall victim part. So men will go on that. Now some men they fall victim because men spoil well. So on that issue, say, let's go to the fourth aspect. I don't give it that before I begin call the talk. The fourth one I say to avoid consequences of unforgiveness. That is what the reason for the word forgiveness in your relationship. What did this consequences of unforgiveness? The reason he said unforgiveness is a force that has the power to influence. See the way it influence evil. It influence and affect or control you and your future negatively. If it's a boyfriend, no. You see her now. Now see what you now see the he said they affect you negatively in your future. The force is so deadly that it has run many marriage and relationship down. That is the spirit of unforgiveness. But when you forgive, you see say go to the street. Now I make the contour say the future I go say the evidence of maturity and strength. Now be the spirit of what? Forgiveness. You dey send request, they pick you, they go. You understand? They go. So make I invite that person wey wan talk for the issue where I know wey say, Juliet, this I don't pick you tire, they go. So this issue wey we dey talk about, that spirit of forgiveness, Lizzie say, where my baby she, okay, that spirit wey be say very dedicated to spirit of forgiveness wey be say people dey fear. Not to say this one, nobody want forgive, they don't come. Because they not be talking, because they not go forgive. Now there, you know, say when they see truth, they go out. And this are what we all they do. So may I go fine? May I cheat on this issue? Because today now I can come in relationship, the art of or the effect of or the reasons of forgiveness, and what are the effect and the good and the reasons. So now I come to it bye. Evidence of maturity and strength. Why I use this word evidence of maturity and strength? In a relationship, you say, I be boy, I be man. They see people with my father say, I be man. They see people into relationship, you say, immature. This relationship is thing. You see, say, now if in relation, you see people talk like babies, some talk like an adult. Now, when you forgive, person for your way offend you, way go sleep with your girlfriend, and you forgive your girlfriend, bring am back, your marriage go sweet. He say if you not forgive, when you say evidence of maturity, it affects your what? Your mentality, your emotional, your physical, spiritually. and otherwise. When you feel to forgive your spouse, when you enjoy it successfully, and the family role, that one still matter again. The only way to forgive when it's a wifey husband is very hard. Nobody want forgive because okay, this way be say none of them want forgive so. But if we look into una dey invite people now. If we look into many of us involved in this thing. We dey sleep with our girlfriend, and our girlfriend. When you tell your girlfriend, it is dead boys wey you go sleep with am. You leave am, you think say there, you go play the game, go come. And if you come catch am, this come happen to this way I dey talk. Before very soon go happen to many people now wey be say don leave their guy now. If they jump, if their guy saying they go waka go to am, or the boy saying they go sleep with your girlfriend, I go see how una take forgive. See na so una no forgive, and na then love come. Now for matrimonial forgiveness, they okay. See a lasting relationship. I want to go to the other one. Lasting relationship. Forgiveness. Lasting. And what did they bring lasting relationship? Now the spirit of what? Forgiveness for relationship. Because that what we can talk so, I will come look for this track where I play. You understand? Where we say, because when I talk about this, all this spirit of forgiveness, because since now so I won't forgive, maybe that music go let her know. You tell man say you love her, you want marry her. Now they say you not go forgive. And if you not forgive her, where the love come dey? Eh? Where the love dey? Una hear me? You say you love man. You dey hear? You dey hear? You say you love person, you not forgive am. Where the love dey? Eh? Nobody love here. I don't see all of us where they will not love. Because when love dey, everyone play one music. Now most of us go do one to our loved one. Girl will say we love. Man will say we love. Because this one don't prove out to me say no love. Now hear me so. See, you understand? Love not there. If love there, you go forgive your opponent. You go forgive your person who wrong you. Because when na love, now they talk. You understand? So my dear, that one I don't prove out to me soon and not love. Lasting relationship. Wait till they bring lasting relationship. Not be the spirit of forgiveness. Eh? And they ask you now. Now I want to play this music, make una hear first. More than per year. This music, I want to play up on first. More than hear. If you love, listen to this music first. Listen. Hear this music before I play am. Listen, you understand and not forgive. You tell the boy say you love am. You tell the girl say you love am. Listen. Listen. Oh. I want to play this people now. Your most open I want lose una man, I want lose una woman, I don't even forgive. I want to play. If na so na planner, you can't leave am. Listen. Leave. Mona listen o. Listen. This music, you said I will forgive you if you do it with some, not my friend, but not my friend, meaning he don't even love me. He love you, he fall a bit, he sleep am. Listen this music first before I talk. If you hear no boss, if you can't leave me, you there. You don't love the boy, you don't love the girl. Now play this music because of now play this music. I don't love the person. Una play so I love each other, I want marry. And then you leave am because you say catch up on one thing. Mona hear the music first because this music now agreement na talk. Now see love. Now very nice thing. We don't know what to be love. You know, Edame, oh, Aleluya. Emiya robo same. Emiya robo same. èrò padà mẹ́. Wá gbogbo gẹ́gẹ́ wọ́n ṣe mi àyè. For now, now so you can't be with boyfriend, your girlfriend, you leave me. Èrò pàmò dá mẹ́. Yẹ́nu kó sà. Yẹ́nu kó sà mí nígbà mẹ́. Àrà mi èrí mẹ́ o, ẹ̀dá mẹ́ ọ̀pá mẹ́ o. Èkejì yẹ́nu kó sà mẹ́. Èmi yẹ́nu kó sà mẹ́ o. Because this music I play before I talk well. When I come conclude that I can't talk about the woman wey say he get money, he don't want man. This woman I play here. Women, na not love. Kate, good news. You say you no forgive. Mona enjoy this music before I wan talk this thing. Mona hear o. Èmi yàrá bó sàmẹ́. Èmi yàrá bó sàmẹ́ o. Èrò ọ̀pá ẹ̀dá mẹ́. I don't talk for you. Yo, èmi ló máa tiẹ̀ mẹ́. You tell me, darling. So I don't know. You say you know they forgive. When I hear it, me I talk on the issue where I'm gonna hear. But today na day wey God say we forgive. He don't forgive everybody. So may we begin get the spirit of forgiveness. Ilé méjì ó wá. Ìyá wọ́n ṣe mi àyè. Kébé tèmi àyè. Èrò pàmò dá mi. Èmi yẹ kó sàníyàn mi. Ara mi èrí mi ò ẹ̀dá mi. Èmi yẹ kó sàníyàn. I don't play that music. You know why I play that music? Many of una say una love. Una love. I pause am there. Una love. And you talk about relationship aspect. You see your man, you sleep with your girlfriend, you say go sleep and you say you love her, you want marry her, you cherish her. You say because say sleep with your girlfriend, say you made the marriage relationship quit. You don't love. That one I don't think no love. Love. We will go into love. They will call you fool, but you are not a fool. You forgive, not me say you don't know what you go do. I know this topic has it go difficult. Now people because they don't fit talk, they don't know what you don't talk because they don't do am. Girls don't do am to boy, boy don't do am to girls. Now I make nobody fit talk on what forgiveness on this issue because we dey pay them. He said for last relationship, last relationship, the demand and engagement of the power of forgiveness for it is to work. The thought of your forgiving your spouse may not be a palatable idea. Listen, it may not be a palatable idea to forgive your spouse. He said, but learning how to forgive and acting on it will pay you now and in future to come. Because when you forgive, you say this word forgiveness. Because it's like you keep it the past, they put on, my dear, my brother, my sister. make we get that spirit to forgive. If you forgive, your relationship goes sweet. And if it's sweet, you go enjoy them. Now, that spirit of forgiveness where we don't see say nobody get them for here today. For this show, you can't get here. People say they're not going to forgive. Like no fear, not let people come. Now, if you be woman, like the woman will talk on his own, you get money well. You go say you not go marry. Say you don't want man. Now, you be woman. You come marry. You say you know you need man. You want to be alone. Say you don't want man. Then they see a woman. Because you are a rich person, you get money. You say you don't want man. But you forget, say your money without man, no respect. Any woman, when he say he marry, he say he don't want marry, he get money. That money, he don't get respect. Nothing like Mrs. So this issue, we are going to talk on spirit of forgiveness today. I just bring and come out today, make her talk. I can't see her. People, they're not going to forgive. Una way you want man, you get man. You don't want man. You get money, you want to live alone. They fuck around, they take of you. Now that one, now good thing. No. The woman will talk that thing. I go deliberate on this issue on next program. Well, but today I come out with this issue, spirit of what? Forgiveness. I can't see and say people not get out of forgiveness. Why? They don't want to forgive. Because the spirit of forgiveness not there in them. Nobody want to forgive on this program. We don't see her. Since we don't know, say, if you catch your girlfriend, you're not going to forgive her. And if your girlfriend catch you, you're not going to forgive you. So the issue, we don't come to an end of that one since we don't know. And I go use this one, I will round up this one. Because we don't know, say, in a relationship aspect, we not get, they not they forgive each other. We don't see and say people know they forgive. They don't make open up to everybody. So, my secretary, you don't see and say people, they know they forgive. I appreciate everybody will come today. Come listen, come hear their view. Say they're not going to forgive. Some they say don't forgive on based on one aspect. But if it's living with their girlfriend, they're not going to forgive. But it's better to forgive and let bygone be what? Be bygone. And when it be bygone, you go enjoy. You will first think about the outcome. Drop that case to and forgive. Don't listen to critical inner voice. Those one like they affect marriage. We be say relationship. We be say una know they no know. Don't recreate old family dynamic with your partner. All these things they bring problem for relationship. And this thing for your relationship to grow. My advice to you, to everybody, wanna get what? The spirit of forgiveness in your relationship. You see your girlfriend, if they flirt around, forgive her, advise her, teach her. You go there now, you swim, you love her, you take her, the friend her, you know sabi sweep. You know go teach her how to sweep, you go teach her. You know sabi cook, you go teach her. The time when you not take forgive her because say you see and say you not forgive her. Another man see I come to say come forgive her, come culture the girl. You can't see the woman, you can't cherish her, you can't remember. And because this bit of unforgiveness where we get for our relationship, now make money of them use their boyfriend, take on to their husband, and their marriage not come last. Wives can use their wife, take on to forgiveness when their marriage last. Because they catch them with one thing or the other, he not forgive them. Now they are come to conclude, say let you now know, say in a relationship, you must add the word, let bygone be bygone. You must get the spirit of forgiveness. Frank say, but that one allow, okay. Okay, Frank, come, may you hear your view. Okay, Frank, see, you say, no, Frank, I want you to point for that one. See, you say that one allow. Make I know what you want to talk on that one. Okay, Frank. So you see, you say that one and lie. Because it's not good to forget. Okay, talk your point. Make I hear your whole fashion, Frank. So you say that one and lie. That show, you not go fit forgive. Okay, Frank, woman get money. He say no one marry. He no need man. That kind of woman, how you see that one? That woman not be her attitude to make the man fair on liver. So this are many things. So that one issue is there. Man, we need to get the spirit of forgiveness. Like that woman now, because like I said, the man forgive her. Now wetin they do? Now make the man not for the man go on live am. Like I said, the man forgive her. The woman for no okay, come out. They just say no want man. I don't want my. They sleep with man. If you don't want man, no near my again. Now hear me. So Frank, that thing are very a men not they forgive. Francis, you say men not they forgive. And now you go forgive, men not forgive. But yes, men not they forgive. Now the same thing. Some women not say for now truth. Now make I come so make men they forgive. May I pick this call? May I pick Frank call? It could maybe they for me. I listen to Frank wake call, so I don't accept you. Frank don't be so. Francis can say men not they forgive. Frank say a pardon and lie. Frank don't pick you. You're this man. I don't accept you. So make una talk. Make I hear una point on that issue. Huh? So now your connection dey bad here. Your connection no dey. I dey accept you, Frank, but I dey pick your this thing. So on that one, on that issue, e good make we forgive because one, we fit make mistake with one another. Na be the reciprocal because why? You fit do other thing. Now the most thing wey dey, okay, girls dey some girls dey go dey pre ten d to man. Na it do am pass. The one wey you catch one, you no forgive am. But the one wey you no catch, na it to do am every day. You say the one you love, and that wetin that one do, e pass the one wey you catch wey you want. Na it make men and women go wash well, go get that heart of forgiveness for your relationship to grow. Relationship, courtship. And if you dey get that spirit of forgiveness, so it be when your wife or house don marry, if you get am, you no need to divorce, you no need to separation for the benefit of the children. When you get your wife can do one thing or you do one, una get that heart because of children. Pikin wey only one woman train, e get as e dey be. Una understand? Na make it good. Make we get that heart of forgiveness. If you get that of a married woman now, sister, no, so okay, forgiveness don't they forgive her. Your marriage will grow. Una gay, pikin go grow. Una pikin no get mental problem, no get certificate problem. But una no say children wey be so only mama dey train and look most of wey be skin. The one wey run live your husband, I talk wey run live your, not be the one wey be say lost your husband or he can't get problem. Most of wey divorce, you see say something wey only pikin wey woman train. We dey see something dey involve because man no come deal with am. You know, like if the woman still marry again, husband deal with her hair, the man go take the pikin as you go see dey give them advice, train you, relationship, the marriage go no go get good thing. May I pick Elijah home? Elijah don pick you. So Elijah accept you now. Your hook there. You want hear una voice? And they accept now. What is happening? I want to say the wise one don't come this show today. Elijah. So I dey pick una call. Waiting. Wanna check una. Okay, I cancel. I wanna resend her. I cancel her. Make una resend her. So I cancel her so that una feel resend her. I can make it for big. So now make a tell una say you are 1 year waiting Elijah one talk and waiting Frank want to because e good for me. I dey want make we get that heart of forgiveness. I dey accept you, Elijah. Why? I don't accept you. I don't accept you small. E good make we dey forgive. Because in relationship, when you don't forgive, you don't love am. You don't love. If you love person, even I even leave each other again, you get one must feel pain. That be love. If you love, he can't beg you. Forgive me. Forgive me. He no go do it again. Forgive am. Make the relationship grow. Give am advice. This thing I don't want me to do it again. Forgive me. He get wetin I can't go church today. He can't talk one thing for here. He say you do small. You say may God forgive you. Say God. He said this year you see on me. You keep on doing. He say me potato. People bring am. They don't do am many times. Now so it be. Abeg, make we get this heart of forgiveness. The heart of forgiveness are very big thing. I dey accept Elijah. I dey accept Frank. Una net one. I don't know wetin dey do am for that side because e good make we dey forgive. I dey try dey pick una call. Me I don't know wetin dey happen. Abeg, make we get that spirit of what heart of forgiveness in relationship so that make our relationship make we no get problem for our relationship. Yeah, Elijah call through here. Yes. Yes, Elijah is on the line now. Yeah, Elijah is online. Yeah. Yeah, good evening. Talk.
The issue we bring come out just now. Signing forgiveness.
Yes.
As your woman with your best friend.
Yeah.
Yes. Just like me, I don't forgive. I don't know how that forgive because the life is
you will want to come here and write the number there, maybe you see her. Okay, Elijah, go on. One right number for this Richard we want to come.
hello, bro.
And then yeah, go on, Elijah, I'm with you. Please, Kate, you have my wait to my brother. Hold on. You have my Italian number, put on. My secretary, we are the authority, put my number there. Kate, you have my Italian number, you put it. Hello. Go on. My secretary not put my number there. Okay, see my number there. Rita, my number don't there. See my number. Okay, go on. Fiki you. Yes.
For real. Because no love for there. You love the woman. The woman they pretend to love you. She kill you because she can take with your best friend and your own best friend. You sleep with her. That means that so easy to kill you. You understand?
Yes.
It's very, very hard to forgive. That time matter. Bro, this topic cannot be. This topic bring comfort there. My head is it brings smoke. We'll postpone this topic if you're not that thing. So that we'll deliberate on this matter.
Okay.
This guy can't be odd.
Okay.
After Easter, next week, bring this topic again for talk. Because I know you're there with you and we're talk now.
Thank you very much. Yes.
I take your voice.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My brother, my sister will question one call. My number don't dey there. My secretary don't put there. We don't touch it. Don't have the number there. You see what Elijah told so? He said this topic na very vital issue. I will not bring am come out today wey be say na Easter day. He wan talk on this issue, but this issue na very issue wey be say big wey person need to talk today and bring am. It's not the issue for him get as he be. Come up, okay. I might pick okay. He said the issue get as he be. Wey be say he ain't go sleep. Person wey sleep with him boyfriend, that girl fit kill him. me with you if and they go sleep with your own boyfriend when the boyfriend dey with am for his house. Two all of them dey and he come up and go sleep dey say so that girl go kill him. He no sure say good evening Josephine Ogbede Ama. He say he no go gree o say make we treat the topic well again. So we go treat the topic well for that season. But those that are calling, I don't pick your own. Those who say they need number don't dey there. I dey accept you, Frank. I don't know what is happening to your this thing. I dey accept you. So the connection you say, I don't know what is happening today. They accept you, Frank. I don't know what is happening. So those who want to call my secretary, always put my number there, please. You dey try pure smooth and they made the number. Who is calling? Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Epa, yeah.
Hello.
Hello, I dey hear you, my sister. Good evening.
Good evening, no.
Yeah.
Happy Easter.
I wish you the same, my sister.
With the topic, is it okay? It's good, well. In fact,
Where you dey call?
from Milan.
From Milan. Okay, yes.
Today's topic, be okay. What I want to talk about now, this forgiveness.
Yes.
So forgive person when really hurt you. Not be small thing.
Yes.
Not be small thing at all. Not be small thing. Not be easy thing to do.
Yes.
The man will never marry me. When he claim say he love me. How the man will go with my own best friend, with my friend, with even though, let me say with anybody. You claim say you love me. You go to sleep with another person. Now which kind of be that? One, you never marry me. If you can't marry me, what do you want to do? That means you will do the worst. So the best thing, I know forgive her. Like, I know forgive her. The only thing I will do, I know go curse her, I know do anything. I'll make it go. Make it go. Because that kind of man or boy, if he don't marry the girl, now worst like go to worst. So before I go do the worst thing, with the women, with the girls, we will first kick their hearts, come out. We go move on.
We have first kick the man hand come out. We have move on.
Yes.
So now you first kick the man hand away.
Yes, I'll kick it after away, then I go move on. Because if I leave that kind of person, if you don't marry me finish, you go do the worst. And after we don't marry, I know if you kick your ass again, and I know if you do anything again. So before you go marry me, I'll first kick your ass, come out. I know forgive her. I know we don't forgive her at all. Make it go with a problem.
Now, okay, now. If this man and man wey you no fit do with her, you wait to call love, you really love am. When be safe, if you now you dey beg anything, you dey must say only forgive me. Now he can't do that one. And you dey do something. Now this man and you will do something, go forgive you. Maybe sometimes they will be say go say baby you disappoint and he go forgive you. Now you can't do that one. Now you say no forgive him. How you feel?
The man when me I say I love, I no go ever do wetin go make me hurt am. Even I go dey pray every day, say God abeg, don't let me do wetin go make me hurt my man. For my own no. But if you can't hurt me, thank God say nowadays said women not depend on men again. No, we no fit do without men. First thing. But when they say you want to depend on men without this man, you no go live. God so kind say for that aspect, God don't bless us for that aspect. So any man where you be out there, where won't hurt any woman abeg, you first kick him out come out. If you fear say you don't fit do without the man, carry your belt, tight and wear. God will help you.
Okay, I want to ask you one question now. You know, say if you talk like your teeth, you go bite your tongue. But you dey forgive the teeth. How you pay? I think they pay you well.
I know you well.
Your teeth. Maybe you want to say you go bite your tongue, but you forgive your teeth and the blood will come out. You don't forgive your teeth.
That one are my own teeth. I don't fit without my teeth. Without my teeth, I don't go fit eat meat. Without my teeth, I don't go fit do most of the things. So men are not my teeth. Men are not my teeth at all. If men are my teeth, CJ, I go pull everything out. I don't care without teeth for mouth. Thank God say men don't be my teeth. My teeth not be men. Because men of nowadays, in fact, make God change their minds. But because of now when we dey so, wetin men they do nowadays, may God bless the women.
Amen. God will bless the women. God go. Wetin be your name? Caller.
My name na Rarity.
Reality, okay, now you call, so because you add your number.
Yes.
Thank you for calling.
Yes.
At that point when you talk, you say no, your teeth different, you know, forgive am. But you know, for this relationship issue, they talk about reciprocal. Reciprocal, wetin e mean say maybe sometimes if you go do one thing wey go affect wey still take wrong the man. What of at the end, maybe what of that man I be your life partner, the one wey pre ten d follow you wey you no cash, you can't go marry, I can't be saying that one can't work, so how you go feel? You can't go dey remember that man.
So let me say, I will pray morning, afternoon, evening, night. Let God let me do what he will hurt my man. And the man where I know will ever hurt, he will be my husband. He will be my husband too. Though even if I won't say, if I think I want it for house, fine. I know what to go on so that one a normal thing. But if I can't marry and they pray afternoon, evening, night, God has said, no, let me go to go, make me hurt my husband. And if he hurts me or I hurt her, I pray may God let us forgive each other. But say my man never marry me. He can't do that kind of gravity. I will kick his ass out the way. I will burn his ass away.
You go burn the ass?
Okay. Yes. Because I know if now men, their girlfriends hurt them. Hey. What they go do the girl? Heaven will know. So as them women, any boy where you hurt you, just kick their ass out because they don't want it at all.
I be mala, you say man no want am, me no see be mala, so you kick her out away.
If I no bet, but some of the men of nowadays, in fact, they provoke.
Okay, the men of that they provoke. Okay, Francis says see 8 men, and 8 men that shit with passion. Yeah. So look now, your 8 men like that. What of be say now woman man can't cost cash like that, the woman can't sleep with the man. Answer her, my sister.
Most of the time, now men and they hurt women, most of the time, because we women, we love with all our hearts. It is very difficult, it is to see woman will go hurt man, it is. But most of the time, now men, they hurt the women. In fact, let me say hurting, they will take iron, they burn the women safe. Hurting understatement, they will take hurting, they burn the women. What God say now love, help for love. To love somebody, now very fine thing, now very beautiful thing to love. But when you can't love will come to that thing for your hand. You just say okay, make you kick your heart out. Because now where you go from happiness, now you define. If you can't feel they give you, they make you cry like onion every day, they'll just keep their heart out. So.
Okay, you don't talk very good point. You see here your point.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. You talk your own good point.
Thank you,
I like girl like you are sincere to open your mind. Say any man, where do you go kick it out? Because before the man go kick you, you kick it out. So nice nice talk. I appreciate you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you very much. So my sister will call now for me. Let her say any man where is too out around, that man go kick it out, he go burn it out. He say because men now they burn women out anyhow. He say because men they frustrate women. He say so for that simple reason, he go kick that man out. So man, I beg go. Who they date? Who they go out with this girl? Not go do her because she will kick your heart. Okay, Mazi pick this call. Hello.
I don't want to talk for this matter.
Yeah.
Because of the celebration.
Yes.
Your topic, they provoke with one heart. They make most people they go to remember the past.
Yes.
Understand? This issue is a very, very important topic we can come out again. I'm trying to tell you because
low your TV.
when they drop this topic, they affect me. Understand?
Yes.
Because this matter so a wicked topic. woman.
Yes.
Most people know the life benefits from
No, topic way good ways. You know, people will fear.
See, what you have here from just now, they're right. For me.
Low your phone or your laptop. Low the volume. Low the volume of where for the wash. Huh? Low where for the wash. Uh-huh.
It is for men. It is for women.
Yes.
Because my brother, you see this matter so,
Yes.
I'll tell you the truth. Most people don't encounter this kind of issue.
Yes.
Out of 100%, 85% don't encounter this issue.
Yes.
We have for men and for women. For woman's side, you as a woman, your best friend, when you call your best friend, you share ideas with her. They tell her everything about your lifestyle with your man.
Yes.
And they give you wrong advice at the end. That's your back. Go run this with your woman, with your guy. If the woman can't find out, she's dead. She can never forgive. Even though she won't forgive, that she don't be forgive because of she don't get that spirit for mind, that heartbreak. See, any man when he jam, if he still do that thing, that makes some women, they know they even get love for men again. And that's the same thing. See, they happen to men. You understand?
Yes.
See this issue. I jam one girl like that from Nigeria.
Yes.
When I know this girl, a Yoruba girl, when I believe it for born I grew up, when I jam her, the long skirt she did wear, as I know that girl, that's the name I come from trouble. Then, when I jam this girl, my brother, a life story with this one.
Yes.
This girl, the girl long skirt. From Monday to Sunday, to the month, now still the same clothes that she did wear. But I just get natural love when I see her. There's no man, they wouldn't give her face. But when this girl come to my side, I think about change her ways. Okay, at the end of it, this one says I come for travel, then something rough. I got to involve for some kind of many shows. Where but you know, like won't talk come out.
Yes.
And then I can't get I just break them out. No, you don't get a dish, we already confess. May God forgive us for all our sin. I can't involve just to make her proud, to make this happen. I can't go Coco for the States, come for Benin, go run show for Bunkry Matter. And she been with me for house for years. Go Coco, one go run Bunkry.
Yes.
I tell her I'll spend a week. Then this place where we go, the man will give us job. The boys we already used before. They can't fuck them up. They can't recruit us as new men to run show. Last, inside the show we go on the hotel where we lodge. Information we go give those men. Say, this man don't recruit other new boys. Before they break, they can't cut person head put for the hotel.
They can't cut person here put for the hotel. And because woman, you do this one, okay.
And we discharge. Police don't run everywhere because the mission we want to go run for one green matter, no one get hit. Me and my guy, one that one guy move. And woman when me I leave now, see me, this issue, say no level, say come back, say money go full ground. And then we don't run some kind matter. I not thief one day, and I carry on one day, say I want to go rob person, but I want to catch you where they get money. At the end of it, this girl, I don't buy her. Try hair dryer machine, tongue pot, clipper, say I want budget money for her to open salon, better salon. This thing now 2005 now they talk so. You get me? To open salon for her.
Yes.
You get me? At the end of it, when I don't buy all those things for ground, because okay, might look for that money to make her. See happy open everywhere so that I could see what I could see the support. She could see what the support. Based on the law when I get
That na woman wey you because of am go do runs.
I call the brother. Say Alpha, with my woman, my girl. You say, you know, I hear for over 1 month. Say, you know, be like that. I told her I reach the house. They say, no. They tell me the truth. At the end of it, Congo day with bus driver.
Yeah, Congo day with bus driver.
Bros, how that kind of woman, you want to forgive that kind of woman? When you want to don't pay for years. Yeah. And you be money, and you be afternoon, and you be everything, bros. You get idea. It's very hard, it's difficult to forgive. And for real. And the matter come become confirmed. Say everything that we should do. Plus, the matter there I be. Bro, person like me, it's hard to forgive. Except I don't see him with the person. For Europe side, many things they saw.
No, you just come inside you just open your door, you just enter yourself, you just see the guy just the banger.
For Europe side.
You open, as you open door, you just see when you see, you dey hear your guy, even the baby people they talk, say, my guy no dey do am the way you dey do am.
Bro, you see, if you really get love for a woman, man, tell you the truth, if you really get love for a woman, many artists, they use and sing, many musicians, they sing. Many old people, they use and they act on video. Many book writers, they write down. Understand? Some will say, they fit kill because of their woman. A woman fit kill because of their man. Except that man don't get love for that woman, or that woman don't get love. Why did they say some men they go commit suicide because of woman? Why did they say some women they go commit suicide because of man, because of love? For heaven, any woman will kill himself because of man. If they go heaven, no, God no. People think they quote me wrong, but any man will kill himself because of woman. They go heaven, no, God no. You understand?
Yes.
You see, my brother, this is your matter, so you bring come here. You know, I said, it don't be like today.
Yes.
Yeah, we're supposed to put this matter. We're supposed to put this issue for next week.
Okay, you say me I put the topic for next week because the topic. Okay, I hear you.
You will hear many stories. People will hear many stories, and people will remain.
So okay, you want me all people dey? Okay.
Much things to talk this moment because many things when I want to talk, I reserve for next week topic. Make people they wait, make them sharpen make them try their head, make them hear what we could save life, we could save people. We all they make mistake, we all see they learn. You understand? Your own friend, what you call your friend.
Yes.
You believe her. You tell her everything. Say see what they happen.
Yes.
Then go want to say, do this woman this, do this woman that.
Yes.
At the end of it, you go back your back. Go they run your woman for evil things. Bro, there are many on Europe here, bro.
Yeah.
I can tell you, many, bro. Man, I don't get friend, though. I don't get friend, bro. I don't get friend. No, I don't get friend, bro. You understand? So, my life, my true life, I can tell you, bro. This year, I still not
Lucky. Hold on, wait. Lucky Ibude. Wait, my brother, hold on. Wait, Elijah, wait. Lucky Ibude. Me, where they put on tradition, I be pure traditional man. If you, the God say for, we'll talk about forgiveness. If you do what you know, Sabi, wash and well, look me well. You, this one, we talk about spirit of forgiveness. After today, if you talk what you know, you go see where you're not supposed to go. This traditional issue, I deal on tradition, both spiritual and all. I give you that instinct for your memory. If your parents looking at them, better advise you say, this guy, go, no, this, I'm a traditional man. I know they use Christian play game, say you can't lie. I call spade a spade. You do this, we talk about spirit of forgiveness. If you talk what you know, sabi to be as a small pikin where you dey here, because I see say man, you never even get air for your broadcast. No talk, okay, they talk to you. If you don't talk what you're not supposed to talk, if you talk what you're not supposed to talk, you will go end up in where you're not supposed to end up. My brother, go on.
Hello, my brother.
Yeah.
Leave people where they talk rubbish. No mind anything with their right. Comment. Because
Yes.
some of them never seen. You understand? See this life na book. We all the read, we the learn.
Yes.
Understand. To know our own ways.
Yes.
Not just be like book where they guide people. You understand? Something must happen. So that from other positions to get sense. Then we don't claim it happen to us. Then at the rightful way that we want. They get me? Now, shape at this matter. Will you bring come out this topic? Because it provoke me. Read.
Yeah.
Get me? Because some people get skeleton for cupboard. They don't want to bring them out because they affect them from the crime.
Yes.
Simply. Bros, you love woman, you get woman. You, as a man, you get woman where it's born for you. So, sorry for this word though. If it happen to you, I will feel. The guy, bro.
Yes.
See one video for US where it happened. Where they bring out for names. After 5 children, 6 children, where they go to any test, they can't find out, say, nobody man won't get it. At the end, they come to the my head. So if bro, it's not me, yeah, I will do the one where it was past that one. That's why they talk, bro.
Yeah.
You feel me? I will do the one where it was past that one. Cut head, cut leg, cut yansh, cut everything. But it's not me to do that kind of thing. Make the woman still do it to me.
Yeah.
You feel me? Make the woman still do it to me. Because I don't feel do it because anything where you know say you hate, when you know what to do person,
Yeah.
not try out. You feel me? Not try out. The same thing with the woman. Anything when you know say they offend you, make you know say no. When you don't do it, I'm glad, bro. Go postpone this topic.
Okay, we'll postpone now because
I get it.
thank you very much. Elijah don't call, he don't talk on the whole well. And this person be they call, he call they pick, I know they go Frank J. David. I be they pick German guy where they call Frank J. David. And they try pick and your call, no, they I don't know, and they connect here. I don't know why I know they think for you. Elijah don't talk, say this topic. Now topic will be say people need to talk on very well. He say not be waiting for your talk now because today na happy day. People know why I'm here all crowd day. Say because this topic we need to talk now well based on say not be waiting we will talk maybe we postpone now so that maybe we can't hear waiting people go we talk on the issue based on say they say because that thing na very big thing. Can we even say use me make example how me go forgive? He say so now this na waiting be say men everybody women e dey pain. You can't talk say even though anybody wey die because of man he love but na heaven dey gain. So my dear, I can't make everybody know that thing a very strong thing, very difficult to forgive. But we go try. We will create am for our inner part mind, innermost heart. Now make us able to create that space. But we go postpone the topic well. Because people deliberate and put on that to make people deliberate and well. But as he use this medium, see let us it's good. Maybe they get one good thing out. Maybe say we will still get am, still dey forgive. Because if we don't forgive, we go kill. Because if we don't get spirit of forgiveness, it dey involve killing. But anything wey you no fit forgive, you go lead to death. Because if you vex with another and do what you not supposed to. Say my woman fuck my guy, or my guy, my babe go fuck my best friend, or my Mia go fuck my woman best friend. We know say my no dey too, not be waiting 2 days, the day crimeful. It's too much like that, but make we just take am say so. So he say upper say cuttings and killing is abolished. So forget me matter so that you no go get problem. This small boy wey dey talk about men matter. We don talk that small boy wey dey talk so we say men water, men matter. Make una check that boy this profile, make una look am well for me. Wey dey say men matter, we talk about men, that small boy. You see Oba, you dey talk, we dey talk about tradition, you dey talk, come on. This boy, if that will not be your name, today na forgiveness because I don't want to swear for you. I swear for you. As I tell you today, go mark am. Take am. If you anywhere, whether motor jam you or try kill you, mark my word. Tell anybody, go tell you, I tell you. If I see and look your picture, I'll wire you. As I tell you, so take my word. I don't tell you. The reality, I tell you. I tell you, my man, see am. If you, I don't play the confirm what you want, I don't play you be baby for anything. I'll wire you. Spiritual, physically, I don't want, if I know your this, tell your people anyway, no, tell them. Say, see, power, tell you this thing. I don't pass those levels. And so, stay, don't choose that, if you choose bad word again. Say, me forget, they know they talk about any confirm, if you want to talk confirm, not be you rat. I've come follow talk and confirm, you never reach. If I want to talk issue, if I deal on Curtis matter, deal on Curtis matter, full stream anyway. So, you small. So if you not be careful, not let me know your people. Stay clear and watch your tongue on this program, this traditional issue. I'm not like other people talk, who don't do. I talk and do, eh? Believe me, take it or leave it. This, don't matter, take it or leave it. Take it or leave it. Anybody put it on tell us, say, probably they do, I don't tell you this thing. Take it or leave it. So, my brother, because with this program, when they talk on tradition, when they advise people, so when they talk about this issue, we say make people get out of forgiveness. So no say in any way they talk, they get temptation, when they see people will come, one tells me, you know, maybe you want provoke, you come, they talk what you're not supposed to talk. So now be that, but no saying everything they are Lucifer and they are Judah. So they said that come make on whether I go provoke, whether I provoke, because small people where they say come. So they say train up a child the way she was. I may not depart if you see a child they do something correct. Now use that correct. Now make we come out with tradition because people they believe on Bible. Say if we use Bible go, you know picky. But when we go with tradition they kill with juju. So now make we they work with tradition and everything. But when it comes to tradition aspect, we work with the tradition. Your tradition get many aspects where you talk, save them here, tell you something, they use and talk to you, talk put your life miserable or anything happen to you. Now tradition, now make I come with culture, tradition. Now make I see they talk about what the art of forgiveness today. So what we don't talk about that boy, that small boy, we forgive him today because Jesus don't die. Because it's not saying we see forgive. So now make I talk about the relationship forgiving. So we forgive him. I may not say I preach about the forgiving today. So I beg everybody for this show we will talk to Kate Anthony. Thank you very much. Thank you, Prince Keller. Thank you very much. In everything where we talk, when we talk about this art, we talk about relationship, the spirit of forgiving. How you fit to forgive when you catch your woman with man, sleep with another man, or you catch your girl, sleep with another, with your best friend, or you will be boy see your best friend sleep. You see your boy sleep with your best friend. Now that one we come out talk for today. Say, can you forgive? So many people heard their say don't be forgive. Because it make us know may I postpone this thing. People say because they want call, people they call, their connection they fail. So for that simple reason, this topic will move on for today. But people don't want to come talk because people want to go flesh. So me myself, me and Fifty, I feel come out this night, see go enjoy. So everybody. This spirit of forgiveness is a very good thing. Make we try. We go postpone this topic. And everybody will come this show today. This today na 1st of April. And the day where they create the one we die for everybody see forgive now die. So for us. So everybody will come. We to now define for this year. Now see how this month we now enter so now the month of joy for all of us. the other march, when I march forward, enter this month, they remove acceleration. So for henceforth, waiting at they look for those who not get document, go see document. Those who go there in Africa, where they plan say want to achieve waiting want to God go make you achieve them. Those who apply for passport, go see passport. So I can't pray for all of you now. We need one thing or the other. I pray through God, the creation of heaven and earth. I pray through our ancestor. I can't pray this prayer. So we pray. Make our ancestors guide everybody. I will come pray, bless and too, with the name of Oba Abini, Oba Ewa the second Ratok Behe. We pray this prayer, go so it go be in the name of God. As I pray, and so it go be. So make una take on prayer, I go follow everybody. So I want to read this show, and they connect and I know they go. So everybody will gonna do well. This show, I want to end that today because they say my postpone and a lot of people don't want to talk. So please join us next week as I do the show. We will thank everybody. So I greet all of you now. Welcome this show, Frank David. Please, I'm sorry, I did pick your call. You know they go. I pick all of you now. Come on and not verse. Next week we'll deliberate on the issue more. Do I know all of you now? Get what I want on the call. I not be picker. We are not verse. Now network. Next week we'll talk on the issue so that we'll talk about where we know whether we feel forgive our girlfriend, sleeping person, or our girlfriend forgive us. So thank everybody. I see everybody. Amen. Kate Anthony. Amen. In the name of Jesus. Amen. So thank everybody. Remain blessed. Look, now take care. I'll see you now. Same time next week. Maybe next week I'll quit the combat because I travel now and I make you see I can't see carry and go. As I travel come UK here, I can't change the time. But when I go back to base, if I return back to Italy, I bring the time. But so I'll go see time to the doing. So I greet everybody. Make una get my number there. Always subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the red button there at Uyedo Talk Show. Always watch any latest event that's placed on that YouTube. As you do, God will bless you now. Always share, always bring idea on this issue. And please, make una not forget tradition. Culture na very important thing where we go learn. Maybe say, make we not do away with our tradition and culture. Make we not say we can't Europe, we can't do with our tradition. Make we beg everybody. So now say, all of you, good night. Good night. Love you all. Love you all. Love you all. Wanna take care about talk there. He said.